This is how to find profitable niche affiliate products for free. Head over to Google and search for Google Ads Keyword Planner. Once inside, click on Tools on the left. From the drop-down, select Keyword Planner. Click Discover New Keywords. Before searching keywords, head over to ChatGPT. Give it this prompt. I'm looking for product ideas around my niche. I'm going to use surfing for this example. Give me a list of items people need without descriptions. It will generate a list of potential affiliate products in the surfing niche. Now, we're going to test the list of products ChatGPT gave us by inputting them into Google Ads Keyword Planner. We're looking for keywords with high search volume but lower competition. You can use the 3-month change filter to spot trends or seasonal keywords. Modify your search by adding best, top, or affordable before the keyword. You could do something like best wetsuits for cold water surfing. Once you have solid keyword ideas, check the top ranking sites for these products on Google. Check what kind of content they're creating and look for opportunities to improve or offer better content. And that's how to find profitable niche affiliate products for free. See you in the next one.